Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Learn Arabic 10 minutes a day. I am not professional English speaker, but I will try to say sentences clearly, inshallah. Bismillah. How to say he is big? He is big. How to say he is big? In Arabic. How to say he is? Or just he? We say hu wa. So I hope you can read in Arabic. You know al-huruf and harakat, the letters and harakats. Huwa. How to say is? So we don't say is in Arabic. We don't say we be verb in Arabic. It is in our mind. Huwa kabirun. He is big. Huwa kabirun. How to say they are big? They are big. How to say they? We say hum. He, huwa. They, hum. They are big. Hum, big in the opposite of single. How to say? I don't know. I will say inshallah in the next lesson. So we say kibarun. Kibarun. You might memory this song, Kabirun Kibarun. So how to say a little? You are little. You are. How to say you are little? You. How to say you in Arabic? We say anta. And beware, we don't say it. It is in our minds. And we say little. You are little boy. You are little. We say صغير. صغير. You are little. صغير. You all are little. You all are little. I hope you understand why I say it in this way, you all, because in Arabic we have different words for it. In English we say you are little and you guys are little, but in Arabic we say different words. So how to say you all, guys? You all. We say antum. You, the one person, anta. You, all, the many persons, antum. How to say are little? You all are little. In opposite of single, we say sigarun, and we remind this song. Kabirun kibarun, صغير صغار, فعيل فعال. صغار صاد كسرة غار تنوين. I want to know how time going, so I want to be in 10 minutes. Okay, we will see inshallah. I am tall. How to say I? أنا tall. طويل. طويل. We are tall. نحن tall. طوال كبير كبار صغير صغار طويل طي طي و oh I'm sorry طي طوال he is short he is short he how to say he we already learned it in the first lesson in the first sentence he هو short هو قصير قصير they are short how to say they هم and we may we might write it or could write it without harakats because we understand which harakats should be there هم قصار okay you are tall how to say you أنت tall طويل you all guys are tall أنتم طوال please pause the video and say it by yourself try to say it by yourself طوال okay I am tall how to say I am tall pause it and try to say أنا طويل how to say we are tall نحن طوال اوكي يكفي ان شاء الله سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته guys